Do you wish that your website was working harder to bring more leads into your business? Hi, I'm Elle. I am the business owner of 23 Wise Words and a sales copywriter who has been writing high converting websites for my clients for over 7 years. I often hear with websites that they're just not working hard enough. You're spending your time slogging away on social media, sending all these leads to a website that is just not converting, and then all your time and effort, money, sanity has all been wasted. Or maybe you just find it really, really difficult to write for your business in general. It takes you ages, it's frustrating, it's overwhelming, you don't know where to start. So I've designed the Website Words Academy to help with all those things. Yes, you will learn how to write your website. We'll do it together in just 4 weeks. But you will also learn all these amazing sales copywriting tips that you can use across your business. If you have a digital business, you are going to need to write for it. That is a fact. And you may outsource at some point in the future, but you still need to know what great sales copy looks like. And that is why I developed the Website Words Academy. We cover the How I Work page, we cover the About page, we also cover some SEO tips, loads of sales psychology, and I will also teach you my clever trick for making sure you can understand your audience and then write what is in their head on your page, which really is the secret to high converting copy, whether you're writing your website or whether you're writing an email, a social media post. This will apply to everything. I have had amazing results from this so far, and I would really, really love to see you in there. It's all designed to be really simple, really easy to follow, using templates, videos, explainers. I show you real life examples. I would love to see you inside. See you soon, Elle.